Please stop taking photos from Pinterest and putting them on your feed, stories, ebooks, websites. That's called stealing. I'm gonna show you a better way, even if you're not a photographer, no idea how to take cutesy pics. If you feel like you're not aesthetic, today's your lucky day because I am the queen of not having aesthetic. I still believe that my Instagram is super cutesy, especially those cover photos, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to take those photos. Not only that, I'm gonna show you how to edit them in an easy one click, maybe 2 or 3 clicks. Crazy game changer. I don't want to scare you, but the reason why you don't want to just go on Google and go on Pinterest and take people's cute aesthetic photos is because you can get into legal trouble. I recently found out that one of my friends got into legal trouble. The photo was not royalty free. So I'm doing this for your own good. Let's get into it. First things first, I want to show you the app that I'm talking about. And although this isn't sponsored, whether it was sponsored or not, I would still share this app. Tezza, if you want to start sponsoring me, I wouldn't mind. As you can see, most of my photos are edited in Tezza because I don't know how to use Photoshop. You do have to pay for this. In my opinion, it is very affordable. Let me just check how much I pay. So I pay $40 for the year, and that ends up being $3 a month, which is 100% very affordable in my opinion. A lot of these photos that you use, people use them for their stories. Maybe they want to post a sale or write something out instead of saying it face to camera. Maybe you want a really pretty photo for the feed on your Instagram, anything like that. A lot of the times, these type of photos, like even a cute picture of your feet or a picture of you in the mirror or a picture of the back of your hair, pictures like that make really pretty photos. So how are you gonna do it? The first thing you're gonna do is go on Pinterest, write out whatever your niche or your category or your passion or any of that. So let me explain. Let's say you're in fitness, wellness, or you want something like that. Wellness, gym, aesthetic. So cute. How cute is that photo? Okay, you're gonna save that into a folder. Super cute. If you want to recreate something like that, take a look at the type of photos that they are. And now you're gonna take the photos. Headphones and barbell, you in the mirror. When you go to the groceries, save all of the photos you find as inspiration. And now you're gonna just go take them. The cool thing about this is that a lot of this stuff is everyday things. If you're already going to the gym, now you could take a quick picture of your outfit with your water bottle, you on the treadmill, your setup of your barbell and your box. That's super simple. You're already gonna wear leggings, just take a picture of them. Another one can be skincare aesthetic. I'm gonna put moody, see what comes up. Okay, that's pretty moody right there. Cute, super cute. That's cute. You could take like a close picture. Okay, so you get the point, right? Save all of the ones that you want. The next thing you're gonna do, start planning out a few of the photos that you're gonna be taking. Now, a lot of these photos I took on like one of the days that I was just ready to take some photos. I had a few girls come, and a lot of these photos aren't cute. Like if you take a look, like that's not a cute photo. Like it's kind of off. Like there's nothing special about it. Let me give you another example. Okay, so for example, this one, it's just my oils. I'm gonna send it to Tezza because we're gonna edit it. All I did is hold them and then take the picture. You know what I mean? Let me show you a few of the photos that we took at the retreat that I just went on. This was actually a video that we took, and then we just screenshotted it. I think that's the coolest thing that you can do. Just take a quick video and then from there do that. Here are another few photos that we took. Nothing special about this photo. When you're taking photos, just take them. Don't think about, oh my gosh, I'm going to use this for the stories. Like you don't know what you're going to use. Sometimes you're just inspired and in the mood and ready. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. Maybe I can use it for a community post promoting something blonde because she has blonde hair. I'm promoting my blonde products. Here's this photo. It's literally just a photo of coffee lip gloss and some glasses. Does not look, no filter, no nothing. It was just a phone. So once you take all your photos, maybe you can have them in a coffee content day, or you get ready that day and you take a whole bunch of cute content. We're gonna go to Tezza. So this is how it normally looks. I already like that. That already looks super cute. It looks like, yeah, look how cute it looks. I might go with the brightness. Like maybe I want it like kind of moodier. Look how cute that looks already. Look. Okay. Keeping it darker. Exposure, you can play with that too. And you might want it moodier or not, depending on what you're using for. I'm going to do it. I like my things like a little bit darker so I could put photos and text on top of it. I would leave it alone, to be honest. I want to make sure in this case it's TikTok size or story size, 9 by 16. So I went to crop, ratio, and I'm gonna make sure that it's 9 by 16. So that's gonna look like that. Perfect. That's it. You don't have to go on Pinterest and steal somebody else's. Let's do the other two. This one is so awkward and have no makeup on. Like, there's absolutely no way. So what I was thinking is doing it darker. So in shade, brightness a little bit lower, and I'm gonna do a blur effect. I'm gonna do motion. Yeah, that's actually perfect. Play with those buttons, and remember, I'm gonna crop it. Oh my gosh, what a difference. Look at that. Do I want it like that? I don't know. How cute, and that looks like super Pinteresty. I love that. What was the other photo that I said? It was the coffee one. Let's do this coffee one. This is so easy. You can do a filter like that. That already looks cute. That looks super cute. It's totally not my style, but I would use it. What does it look like if I blur it? You know, I love my little motion blurring. That's so cute. Crop it. Do I want that or do I want that? Or do I want in the middle? I think I want the middle. No, don't like that. I feel like I like it. That's all you do. I want to show you a few more. This is a screenshot from the video that I was telling you that we took. That's how it was. I can just put any photos on top. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say I'm talking about a sale, a product we have on sale. I'm going to post this photo, and then perhaps I post my before and after. Like, this is how my hair used to look right here. I can type, don't forget where we started, aka my hair, and can just put another photo and when we're at now. Those are the photos that you can use. And like I was telling you, sometimes you just need a nice cover photo. Let me show you all the Tezza photos. I have a whole folder in my phone. So these are all my Tezza photos that I've edited. They just, like, there's nothing special about the actual photo. It's the editing. This was on my phone. You just put a super cute filter on. She's like, hey, can you edit this for me? And we got some different looks. This is a super cute photo that you can talk about the makeup that I sell or the skincare, or you can even be about promotion of an ebook or anything. I can talk about my story on it. I could talk about how we met. I could talk about selling any product. Like, there's so many opportunities. I prefer this over getting into legal trouble by taking other people's stuff. I hope this little tip helps. If you're looking for a way to start being consistent on social media, on Reels, on TikTok, and all of that, you probably need to start taking more videos, but you're overthinking. In the next video, I will show you how to come up with unlimited content, and I'll give you examples too. Even if you're super busy, not aesthetic, don't have an aesthetic house, I have a solution for you. So I'll see you in the next video.